Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Valentine dresses is probably one of the most exciting topics for this season. Whether you're planning a romantic dinner, a night out with friends, or simply want to feel fabulous, the perfect red dress can make you feel confident and beautiful. In this video, we'll explore a range of stunning red dresses, from classic silhouettes to modern designs, helping you find the ideal dress to celebrate Valentine's Day in style. Number 5. Avidlove Women's Satin Lace Chemise Nightgown. This exquisite nightgown is crafted from smooth satin, offering a luxurious feel against your skin. It's designed for ultimate comfort, ensuring a restful night's sleep. Delicate lace accents add a touch of elegance and femininity. The intricate details enhance the overall design, making it a beautiful piece of sleepwear. The chemise design offers a flattering silhouette. It's both sexy and stylish, perfect for feeling confident and comfortable. Available in sizes S for XL, this nightgown caters to a wide range of body types. It ensures a comfortable and flattering fit for everyone. Whether you're relaxing at home or preparing for bed, this sleepwear is the perfect choice. It combines comfort, style, and a touch of sensuality. What we like? This chemise features luxurious satin and delicate lace, perfect for a romantic night. The full slip design ensures a comfortable and flattering fit. If you are looking for something to make you feel confident and alluring, you should consider this. What people say. The dress is absolutely stunning and fits perfectly. The quality of the fabric is excellent, and the dress is well made. The dress is very flattering and comfortable to wear. Number 4. PRETTYGARDEN Women's Elegant Long Sleeve Dress. This dress from PRETTYGARDEN is perfect for the fall season. It's an elegant choice for any event, from weddings to cocktail parties. The long lantern sleeves add a touch of sophistication. They create a flattering silhouette, making you feel confident and stylish. The tie waist cinches your figure, creating a beautiful shape. It's a comfortable yet chic design that you'll love to wear. Looking for the perfect wedding guest dress? Look no further. This dress is both elegant and comfortable, ensuring you look your best. Made from a comfortable knit fabric, it's easy to wear and care for. This dress is a versatile addition to your wardrobe, suitable for various occasions. What we like? This dress boasts elegant long lantern sleeves and a flattering tie waist, ideal for a wedding guest or a cocktail party. The knit fabric offers both comfort and style. If you have a special event coming up and want to look effortlessly chic, you should consider this. What people say. The wrap at the waist makes me look smaller and hides the extra menopausal pooch. The fit was easy, comfortable, and literally perfect. The sizing was spot on and length of dress perfect. I am 5 feet 4 inches-ish and it hit just above the knee. Number 3. LookbookStore Mesh Panel Tunic Dress. Introducing the LookbookStore Tunic Dress. This dress is perfect for a casual day out. It features a stylish mesh panel and comfortable bell sleeves. The crew neck design adds a touch of simplicity. It's easy to wear and pairs well with various accessories. You'll love how it looks. The mesh panel adds a unique and fashionable element. It provides a subtle peek of skin while maintaining a classy look. It's a great detail. The 3/4 bell sleeves offer a flattering and comfortable fit. They add a touch of elegance to the casual design. It's both stylish and practical. The loose tunic fit ensures maximum comfort and freedom of movement. It drapes beautifully on the body. This dress is perfect for any occasion. What we like? This dress features a unique mesh panel design and a loose, comfortable tunic style. The 3/4 bell sleeves add a touch of flair. If you like a casual yet stylish look for everyday wear, you should consider this. What people say. The dress is absolutely stunning and fits perfectly. The material is of great quality and feels luxurious. The design is very flattering and accentuates the figure. Number 2. Cute Elephant Toddler Sweatshirt. This adorable sweatshirt features a cute elephant design that kids will love. It's perfect for everyday wear and will keep them looking stylish. Made from soft, breathable cotton, this sweatshirt ensures all-day comfort. The material is gentle on the skin, making it ideal for active kids. The long sleeves and pullover style provide extra warmth and coverage. It's easy to put on and take off, making it a convenient choice for parents. Designed specifically for toddlers, this sweatshirt offers a comfortable fit. It allows for freedom of movement, perfect for playtime. This versatile sweatshirt can be paired with jeans, leggings, or shorts. It's a great addition to any child's wardrobe, suitable for various occasions. What we like. This sweatshirt features an adorable elephant design and is made from soft, comfortable cotton. It's perfect for keeping your little one cozy and stylish. If you have a toddler and want a cute and comfortable outfit for them, you should consider this. What people say. The dress is absolutely stunning and fits perfectly. The quality of the fabric is excellent. The dress is very flattering and comfortable to wear. Number 1. Wall Pops DWPK 2466 Watercolor Dots Wall Art Kit. Introducing the Wall Pops Watercolor Dots Wall Art Kit. This kit is perfect for adding a touch of color and fun to any room. It's easy to use, simply peel and stick. Plus, you can reposition it as many times as you like without leaving any marks. The product is safe for walls, always removable and leaves no sticky residue. You can change up your decor without any worries. It sticks to most smooth, flat surfaces. This makes it versatile for different areas in your home. The kit comes on 417.25 in x 9.75 in sheets. It provides plenty of pieces to create your desired design. With 59 pieces, you have endless possibilities. Let your creativity flow and transform your space. What we like. These watercolor dots are peel and stick, making them easy to apply and reposition. They are safe for walls and leave no sticky residue. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to add a pop of color and personality to a room, you should consider this. What people say. The dress is absolutely stunning and fits perfectly. The quality of the fabric is excellent. The dress is very flattering and comfortable to wear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.